How to fix cannot change App Store country because of Apple Music on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on the subscriptions option. Further, tap on Apple Music and then tap on the cancel subscription option. Make sure you will still have access until the end of your billing cycle, but you won't be able to change your region until after it fully expires. The next step is you can simply wait until the subscription ends, as Apple won't let you change countries mid-cycle even if you cancel. Next, in settings again tap on your name and then on media and purchases. You'll see the view account option, tap on that and then tap on the country and region option and further choose your new country. Now go ahead and agree to the terms and add a payment method from that region and your issue should have been fixed, and if not, then you can also try to create a brand new Apple ID with your target country set. So this is how you can fix cannot change Apple App Store country because of Apple Music on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.